Express Script Honest Review. What before using? Express Script is a pharmacy benefits manager PBM that provides mail order, pharmacy service, prescription management, and medication cost control for health plan and employers and individuals. And here are the key features about this platform: mail order medication delivery, prescription management through an online portal, work with insurers to negotiate drugs price, offer home delivery and 24/7 customer support. And here are the pros and cons about this platform. So talking about the pros, mail order service save time, especially for long-term medication. Also, discounts and negotiated drugs price can lower prescription costs and also manage a wide range of medication and specialty drugs. And here are the downside about this platform: customer service issue, prescription delay, communication problem, and controversies. And here the final verdict about this platform: Express Script can be a practical choice for those seeking convenience and cost-effective medication management. However, recurring issues with customer service delivery delay and legal controversies may be concerning. It is advisable to monitor prescription closely and maintain contact with healthcare provider.